What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and today, well, it's been a long day. Started off this morning in Charleston, South Carolina, and did a full day of work. Got off work, and now I'm in Greenville, South Carolina, and we're getting ready to start the Smokey Mountain 500 in the morning. We're probably about an hour and 40 minutes or so away from the start of the Smoky Mountains, and it was so hot here in Greenville that we decided to get a room. So for the next 3 nights we'll probably be camping, but tonight we're in luxury of the what is this, the Holiday Inn Express? Yeah, I guess I'm gonna sleep good at the Holiday Inn. I'm gonna sleep good in the Holiday Inn Express tonight. So, wow, what a ride it was up here to Greenville. I think I had a little too much air in my tire, so my front tire just bounced. It was wobbly. A lot of mini tank wobbles, probably about 20. So it was pretty crazy. Very unnerving, and made for a stressful trip. But let a little bit of air out when I got gas the next time, so I think it's going to be good for the rest of the trip. Met up with some guys tonight. Did the brewery at Thomas Brewery with the motor lawyer, old Rick Stewart. Someone made you fall, you better make that call. Make that call to Rick now. He's going to help you out. He's going to turn that wreck into a check. You know what I'm talking about? That's right. But anyhow, we're going to get some sleep, some shut-eye. We're going to charge, recharge, and I'll see you hooligans in the morning. We're going to be on the trail tomorrow, Smoky Mountain 500. All right, till then, peace. We made it to the mountains. Beautiful. What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and today, behind me, that's right, that's the start of the Smoky Mountain 500. We're here. Got my boy Eric with me.
Hey guys, how are you? Looking forward to a great holiday weekend. You should be here. Come join this guy.
That's right. We went from a group of 10 a month ago to now a group of 3. So we got one in the store. He's getting him something to eat, and we're gonna be hitting the trail. So you guys follow along, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you out on the trails. Peace.
Peace.
All right, what's going on, guys? We have made it to the first section of gravel on the Smoky Mountain 500. Took us a little bit longer to get up here. It's actually 9:30 when we got on the trail today. Not too bad. I wanted to get here about 30 minutes earlier, but we had a little bit of a slow time getting out of town this morning, so no big deal to me, really, because we're up here just having a good time. They're hating it right there. Trying to film that car stalled out. Yeah, I don't know how that car is trying to make it down through this shit. This is some gnarly shit right here now. There's only one road on the whole Mid-Atlantic BDR that's like this, and it's Tub Run. As soon as you get onto this trail, it's like this. But anyhow, I digress. I'm digressing. Little road work this morning. Busting boulders. Busting boulders. You never know what you're gonna run into when you're deep in the woods. All right, you ready? Yeah. Lord, be with me. Lost my controls. Like a fly, yeah? What's going on, ADV hooligans? Y'all just missed it. I bailed. Big hole on an uphill, 2 ruts. I chose the wrong rut. Got into the deep hole and just could not get out. Backed up, tried to get around it, and ended up dipping my bike. Hung that edge, baby. Hung it like a damn cliff hanger. Whew. Oh my gosh, I'm fatigued. I'm old. Until my age is catching up with me here. I'm puffing. Oh my gosh, you think I weigh 500 pounds the way I'm breathing. Today is not my day. Please, Bo. I'm just in an awkward position right here. If you can help me push that way.
We rode this in June. It's a lot of fun. Thank you, dude. I don't think I have it. I don't have it. Okay. Now I got it. Let's see if we can get up here. Let's turn it on. Yeah. Yeah, behind and in front. One more coming. Yeah. I'm gonna lose it. You help me, give me a hand? Whew. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Alright, ADV hooligans, we are in the midst of it. Oh boy, this is rough. I'm old, I'm tired, I'm worn out, and it's only 1:30 in the afternoon. Been doing this since 9 this morning. Oh my. Where will this adventure take us? Whew.
What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and we made it to camp finally. It was a hell of a day. Lots of gravel roads, so many rocks I couldn't count, and it was slow rolling. Let me just say that we didn't get nearly as far as I had anticipated us getting. But you know, when you're almost 50 years old and 20 miles or 20 pounds overweight, you know, we got a rider that's 66. We got a rider that's 86. I mean, look, you know, we just take it as it is. You're 86, right?
87.
80. All right, my bad. 87. Yeah. All right. So, anyhow, we're getting some grub. What you having tonight?
Some ramen, baby.
Ramen.
Chicken flavor. Can't go home without it. Is that right?
Gotta love the chicken ramen. I might have to do the same. I got my water boiling, so I'll let you see what kind of ADV gourmet we have tonight. But until then, you guys take it light. Peace.